Hey guys, I just want to introduce my site, mojomojo.design. So inside this site, you're going to find latest information about courses that I brought out. I've got two features on here, but this will be getting bigger as I'm working the site up. But more importantly, there's links here going straight to my actual training site here, where you're going to find a free course on ZBrush 2019 Pure Basics. That's free, and these courses here. Now, by registering here, signing up, then it means I can send out to you the latest discounts and coupons from Mojo Mojo courses. Inside the actual site at mojomojo.design, you're going to find in here all of my courses, and this includes the courses that I have on Udemy. If you come up to Mojo Mojo courses, you're going to see here Udemy courses, and these are most of my main courses on Udemy. So if you click any of those categories, then you're going to get a little grid of some of the courses that I've done. So you can go straight through. A lot of these have got discounts applied to them as well. So if you and descriptions and videos inside here, and you can enroll and go straight to those courses and get them at a discount through the website. Now, you don't need to subscribe to this website, but it is advisable to subscribe to mojomojo.newzenler.com, which you'll find links to that on the homepage. I featured on the homepage my latest courses I'm bringing out, and all of my courses from this point on will be on my own learning platform. So if you click here, you're going to go straight through to my learning platform. If you don't want to sign up for a course, but you want newsletters and those sort of things, then just make sure that you go to my site and you just register here, which is free. Okay, on here I've also got my Facebook group, Twitter, and my YouTube account as well. And on site on my mojomojo.design, I've also got those feeds up there as well. Now, as an additional feature, what I'm going to start doing is I'm starting to produce these blog spots. So if you have a look, you're going to see that there's some really helpful information on 3D printing in ZBrush, making allowances for sculpting in ZBrush in relation to 3D printing. Got poly painting in ZBrush, and I've got detailed character sculpting inside ZBrush as well. These are quick, simple breakdowns on how you can use ZBrush to work. So I've got a little bit of here, and I've also got links to courses in there as well to find an associated course with that particular subject. So this blog spot is going to get quite big. I'm going to start to try and produce quite a lot of these each week, and it will start to fill up. So I'm probably going to break it into sections as we go further forward. I also want to start doing some product reviews as well, such as using some of the new Wacom devices, graphics cards, the latest peripherals and software. So that's going to be featured under here, under the blog spot, under reviews as well. So I've got a lot of stuff going on. You probably noticed if you're part of my Facebook group that I've actually been running. Well, I've run one live webinar at the moment, which went well, but I didn't have many people turn up because I haven't promoted it that well. But that's something that's going to be coming into the future. Inside of my actual workshops now, I'm going to be offering courses on live webinars as well. So I'm going to be doing live stuff. I'm going to be critiquing work. There's a lot of stuff to come this year. So super excited. Just get stuck in, have a look at the mojomojo.design. The URL will be come up at the beginning. So from that place, you can then get to my new LMS, Learning Management Platform, from here. So on the front homepage will always be my latest featured course. This particular one, ZBrush Character Creation, I've worked it in modules. So I've got module 1, which is designing a character and sculpting. Module 2 is poly painting. Next module to come out will be UV unwrapping, and then we'll move into texturing inside Substance Painter, and also transferring this polypaint data across to maps as well. So check out the website, and yeah, just subscribe on my platform, and or just come back here, bookmark it, come back here, or connect with me on YouTube or Facebook or Twitter, and then you're going to get the latest news of any blog posts that I do. Okay, bye.